You continue to hear that there is a shift in the market coming. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Agent Real Tech. I know you continue to hear that there is a shift in the market coming. So what do you have planned so that you can stay successful and even excel in this type of market? So today we're going to jump right into 3 tips that I've got that are going to help you succeed and excel in this market. Let's jump right into the art of it. So first on the list is going to be your CRM. You have got to have a way to keep in communication with your clients. You've got to have a place where your current clients, your past clients, and even people that you're trying to connect with at this point or in the future, all in one place. Your CRM has to have the opportunity for you to be able to connect and automate without having to think about it. So let's say you've got your new client that you just met while you're at the coffee shop. Once you put them into your CRM must have tools for them to stay front of mind and for you to stay front of mind with them as well. So that's from sending out monthly or weekly reports on the market. It could be sending them text messages every once in a while to make sure that whenever they are ready to make that decision, you are the first person that they think of. Your CRM is the lifeblood of your business. It's simple as that. If you don't have a way of tracking your clients, you're going to forget about them, and the next agent that they meet or the next person that they talk to can recommend them to another agent, and you might potentially lose that client. So second on the list is going to be your paperwork. There are so many different applications out there that allow you to get digital signatures on everything. There's no need for you to go through and print out a 30-page document and sit down with your client and have them initial and sign every page. When you go through the conversation with your client for the first time about the paperwork or about the contracts, sure, have that one paper copy that you always use. But for getting signatures and getting everything put into one place, there are so many different apps. Just use one of these digital footprints or digital solutions to save yourself so many headaches. So things like zip forms, things like SkySlope, all of those have tools built into them for you to be able to send out one time to one or multiple clients, however many signatures that you need, for them to all sign their documents, and then you receive them back once all the signatures are completed. And typically those types of programs are also going to keep a copy of it so that you don't have to go searching through your desk folder of all of the paperwork that you've had signed in the past. Third on the list is going to be scheduling. So there's definitely lots of different avenues that you can go down with scheduling. Your top option when you're going out to show property, you're going to be using more than likely showing time as your source to schedule those appointments. So when you go through, you get the appointments scheduled within showing time, you're going out to show those properties, they're going onto your calendar so that you don't lose track of time, and then you can use also things like a to-do list application so that you're not missing things to get done throughout your day. I hope you learned something new. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of the new content. Comment down below what your tip is for new or existing real estate agents so that they can be successful and we can all get better together. Later, neighbor.